Hello, today we are going to do some more continuum composite elements. We will work composite elements. If you are ready, let's go start. At first, chapter overview. It's mentioned lots of composite stuff. I will pass it. And background information or composite it's information about our composite, and we will do analysis of this arc plane RZ mat1 mat2, but it's not shape of cylinder. We will work view of I don't know which side, rectangular face. Okay, let's go start. At first we will work X matrix dimension, not symmetric or planar. Geometry mesh, nudes, and let's get copy, click, and again copy and paste. Command not found. We will nodes add and okay 0. At first remove all exciting, remove, and yeah, I hope we now nodes and copy. We want to do 3 and 4. Let's keep going. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And elements, we're going to make shape of rectangular. Yeah. Okay, and subtrate. By the way, we open pilot control nodes. Redraw, you can see. Now you can see. Okay. Subtrate. Yes, division 2 to 1. Elements, all exciting. Okay. Geometry mesh, operation change class. Operation change class, coordinate, elements, all exciting, and okay. Why we see this here? Because I think, where is it? Not great. While where pilot control, redraw, no sorry, elements, yes. Okay, it's same as user grid. Okay, now sweep operation. Nodes, sweep nodes, always I think. Third duplicate nodes, and okay. I hope it's true. Check 9, 11. 6, 6, yeah, I hope. Now renumber all geometry mesh. Click this and okay. Now we made a mistake because if you look at this 25 1 2 Where is the mistake? Take behind. Yeah, it's same now. Renumber all geometry mesh. It's made a mistake. We don't do it. Take this back. Again. Okay. Now it's same. I hope. Look at this. Anyway, let's keep going. A boundary condition. The structure fixed displacement. Fix 1. Displacement x and 0 nodes add 1, 2. Let's get copy and don't make a mistake. Enter. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna fix it because you see, identify, it's not same. Look at this. But don't worry, we will fix, remove, add, which one? This and this. Add, remove, press, all, add, this and this. It's 14, I think. Yes. 5. Okay. Now and edge load, structure, edge load, name pressure, 15, 3, 1 and 4, 1. And list, we make a mistake, edge, there is no 8. Okay, we choose this edge and this and this. Yes, okay. Now identify. Yeah, it's okay now. And pilot settings, arrow passing, automatic, solid, redraw. Yes, it's okay now. Material properties, let's do it. New standard. Type elastic plastic orthotropic. Young model. Yeah. Yes. Poison rate. And okay, wait, name med 1. Yes, it's okay now. We're going to do second one. Name standard plastic orthotropic and 4 copy. layer properties, material properties, composite, name comp1, general properties, layer apparent, mat2, 25, apparent, mat2, 25, apparent, mat1, 25, and apparent, mat2, 25. Degrees, degree of composite, we don't work it, yeah, and elements, all, I think it's okay now. Yes, and geometric properties, new structures, cascade, thickness direction, not this one, all exciting elements, and okay. Now we will do analyze jobs, new structure, and job permanent, no, not job per, analyze of, where is it, job results, yeah, stress, okay, stress quantity, okay, and jobs, element types here, solid composite, element types, solid composite cascade, and click this, and okay. Now file, okay, fail save, and name is comp1, we will open, fail save as comp1, and jobs, run, submit one, wait, evet, it's done, okay, open binary first, deformed and original, scalar tile numerics, and wait, scalar displacement, yeah, and okay, max and min. I think we made a mistake about renumber, but it's not problem, just I want to show how can we analyze. I hope you understand. And comparison the analytic solution for ticks in the yeah, you can find this problem like entropic plates 1968. For the comparative analysis based on same mesh but low order elements such as element type for 142 of the interior surface thick center. If we made displacements of the interior and exterior surface of thick cylinder are 5.84 and I4 respectively. Obviously, if low order elements are used, mesh needed achieve reasonably good rest. Yeah, I mean, if we use low order elements, mesh more than good results in compression. Yeah, this analyze just like it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.